Alright.
Gastonia, Uptown Charlotte, Huntersville, Central Charlotte, South Charlotte, Northeast Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, East Charlotte, Northwest Charlotte, and West Concord. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: North Carolina, Pinellas, Cleveland, Gaston, Lincoln, and Equivalent, and the following counties: in South Carolina, Cherokee, New York. The current time is 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is the New Weather Radio All Hazards, WXL-7, broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Manhattan, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. This transmitter is heard in the Piedmont, Delta Carolinas. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 2 effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in North Carolina, Gastonia, Pinellas, Gastonia, Richmond, Durham, Stanley, and the following counties: in South Carolina, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Northeast, Newburgh, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Chester County and upstate South Carolina, York County and upstate South Carolina, east central Spartanburg County and upstate South Carolina, Cherokee County and upstate South Carolina, northeastern Union County and upstate South Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles northwest of York to 13 miles southeast of Gastonia to 8 miles east of Spartanburg, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rock Hill, Gaffney, York, Chester, Newport, Pacolet, Cowpens, Leslie, Pacolet Mills, and Lockhart. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in South Carolina, Cherokee, Chester, Spartanburg, Union, and York.